For second offenses and third offenses, things change, and they change drastically. As you move into second offenses, the cases become more intense because mandatory jail becomes a reality if you're convicted. For a second offense OVI, if you're convicted and if you blew into a breathalyzer as a low test, your mandatory minimum jail is 10 days. And unfortunately, there's no way around that. The court does not have the ability or the discretion not to give that to you. Another common question that we get about that is, can I serve these on the weekend? And unfortunately, under Ohio law, the days have to be served consecutively. Don't necessarily agree with that. I understand that that could cause someone to be fired because they can't get their days off. But that's a common issue that we run in our courts. Now, the penalties can go up to 6 months, but I'll be frank, most courts, unless there's something egregious about your case, is not going to give you more than the 10 days that they're required to under law. Now, the fines for a second offense do increase up to $525 and maximum $1,025, and the suspension period can be the same. But now they can also put plates on you, drunk driver plates, which everyone and anyone wants to avoid. In addition to that, they can cause you to put an interlock device in your car, which is a device that you may have to blow into every time you want to start your car. As a second offense, penalties can be enhanced further if it's a high test or a refusal. In the event you're convicted of a second offense, high test, or refusal, your mandatory minimum jail days go all the way up to 20 days. And for some professionals, obviously, that is a career breaker. So we understand that, and that's where, in some of these cases, even where there's not good fight to be had, you have to pull out all the stops because you have nothing to lose. And we understand that, and we'll fight tooth and nail to avoid such an extreme jail sentence. And sometimes, I would say more often than not, we are able to get those reduced.